Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain GEEGPay app review to see with what using. So let's get started with the review about GEEGPay. In 2025, GEEGPay stands out as a top fintech solution for freelancers and remote workers in Africa, especially Nigeria. It offers multi-currency wallet, virtual USD GBP Euro card, fast invoicing and direct deposit from platforms like Upwork and Deals. User Press 8's low fee, clean interface, and ability to receive international payment without the hassle of a traditional Dominary account. The app also integrates with Google Pay and Apple Pay, make it flexible for global transactions. Still, GEEGPay has its downside. Verification delays, occasional account freezing, and slow customer support are common complaints. Some users report issues with delayed deposit and frozen funds during KYC review. And here's the final intake. The GEEGPay is worth it for freelancers needing a flexible global payment option at low cost, but it's smart to avoid keeping large balance and always have a backup plan in case of delay or technical issues. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. And that's it.